Burke's in the Fishtown section of Philadelphia. This is Holy Name of Jesus Christ Catholic Church. For years, this bell tower was silent. And on Christmas Day, the pastor of this church had a surprise for the neighborhood. He fixed the bells in the bell tower, and there was a story on the news where the neighbors were kind of upset. Not all of them, some of them. All right, it's 4 o'clock. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. It's now 4:02. I've been standing here for 2 minutes. I know the second I start walking, they're going to ring. It's 4:03. Oh, I'm so mad right now.
Are you for or against?
I don't know how you could be against that, right? That wasn't too bad.
That's all it is.
That's it?
That's it.
I thought it played like a song for 5 minutes. No? Oh.
And it's 6 o'clock.
It stops.
It won't do it, until 9 o'clock in the morning.
Well, that was the bell ringing at 5 o'clock. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it was that bad whatsoever. So it only rings from 9 to 6, and when you buy a house near a church, just assume that there's bells. That's